We are starting the teardown for our 2023 Sandsport Super Show build. We got my daughter in here helping me today. We're starting with the rear of the car. We normally remove the driver and the passenger side fenders first. Now we remove the rear fascia and the rear speakers, and then move on to the front fenders. Now we pull the lower rockers on the passenger and driver side, and then we'll pull the front fascia and the front bumper plastics as well as the lights. We'll just quickly remove these dash accent plastics. Adding some tape on these vent covers to make sure that they don't get scratched up or cut as we remove them. Now we'll be starting on removing the rear felt liners from the inside of the car. Those are real quick and easy with a push pin removal tool. Moving to the front now and removing the seat belt so that we can pull the front seats out of the car. We don't normally unbolt them all the way. I just remove them from their adjuster latches. Now we're starting on the dash. That's fairly simple, just a few T40 bolts and that can be removed, and then we'll get started on the center console so that we can get the top center console plastic out and get it painted as well. Next, we are loosening all the bolts on the cage for cage removal. Unfortunately, I ended up stopping the video and we did not get the actual cage removal. That's part one of the build. Thank you for watching.